Welcome to the AI Made Movies channel. Have you been thinking about how artificial intelligence is changing the world of finance? Well, you're not alone. The rapid advancement of AI technology has sparked a revolution in the financial sector, transforming the way we understand and interact with money. From banking institutions to fintech startups, the integration of AI is becoming increasingly commonplace, disrupting traditional financial processes in unprecedented ways. AI's role in finance is multifaceted, enhancing efficiency, accuracy, and speed across the board. Think of it as a master key, capable of unlocking a myriad of possibilities in the vast financial landscape. From automating mundane tasks to predicting market trends, AI is pushing the boundaries of what's possible, ushering in a new era of financial innovation. But how exactly is AI making a difference in finance? What specific areas are being impacted? And what does this mean for you and me? Now let's delve deeper into how AI is making a difference in specific areas of finance. One of the key areas where AI is making a significant impact is fraud detection. In today's digital age, fraudulent activities are becoming increasingly sophisticated and elusive. This is where the power of artificial intelligence steps in. AI algorithms have the ability to analyze enormous amounts of data, identify patterns, and predict fraudulent behavior with impressive accuracy. Two of the most common techniques used are anomaly detection and pattern recognition. Anomaly detection is like the security guard of finance. It scrutinizes every transaction and flags any activity that strays from the norm. This could be a sudden large withdrawal or a series of transactions from a location far from the account holder's home. Pattern recognition, on the other hand, is more of a detective. It digs deeper into data, looking for hidden patterns that may suggest fraudulent behavior. It can spot a fake identity or a network of accounts working together to launder money. Let's bring this to life with a real-world example. A prominent bank was experiencing a surge in credit card fraud. They implemented an AI system that used both anomaly detection and pattern recognition. Within months, the system had identified and halted fraudulent transactions, saving the bank millions. Fraud detection is just the beginning. AI is also a powerful tool for risk management. AI's ability to detect and prevent fraudulent activities is not just saving money but also building trust and security in our financial systems. Now, isn't that a future we can all look forward to? Risk management is critical in finance, and AI is revolutionizing this process. Imagine a world where decisions are not just based on past experiences or gut feelings, but on data-driven insights. This is the world AI is helping us build, especially in the finance sector. Artificial intelligence plays a pivotal role in assessing and mitigating financial risks. It does this by processing vast amounts of data at a speed that far surpasses human capability. This data could include market trends, economic indicators, or even a company's financial health. By analyzing this data, AI can identify patterns and correlations that might indicate potential risks. And it doesn't stop there. AI is also instrumental in predictive analytics, a tool that helps identify potential risks before they become problems. It's like having a crystal ball that can foresee financial downturns or market instabilities. Predictive analytics leverages machine learning algorithms to analyze past data and predict future outcomes, allowing businesses and consumers to make informed decisions. But perhaps the most compelling aspect of AI in risk management is its role in maintaining financial stability. By identifying and mitigating risks, AI can help prevent financial crises, safeguarding businesses and consumers alike. In essence, AI is not just a tool for managing risk, it's a tool for fostering resilience. It provides us with the information we need to navigate the financial landscape confidently and effectively. From managing risks, AI takes us a step further by forecasting our financial future. Imagine if we could predict the future of our investments. With AI, this is becoming a reality. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is revolutionizing the way we approach investment predictions. By leveraging complex algorithms, AI can sift through vast amounts of data, identifying trends and patterns that might otherwise go unnoticed. Consider the use of machine learning models, for instance. These models can analyze market trends, past performance, and other key indicators to make accurate predictions about future investment outcomes. They're like a crystal ball, but grounded in hard data and sophisticated computations. Take, for example, hedge funds and asset managers. They are increasingly leveraging these AI models to make informed decisions, optimize their portfolios, and maximize returns. Thus, the power of AI in investment prediction is undeniable, transforming the world of finance as we know it. While AI brings numerous benefits, it's important to also understand its potential drawbacks. Like any technology, AI in finance has its pros and cons. On the plus side, AI brings efficiency, accuracy, and speed to the table. It's like having an army of financial analysts working round the clock, crunching numbers and making predictions at a pace that's simply beyond human capability. AI algorithms can analyze vast datasets in seconds, identifying trends and making predictions with a level of accuracy that's truly impressive. But speed and efficiency are just the tip of the iceberg. AI also brings a level of accuracy to financial processes that was once unthinkable. From detecting fraudulent transactions to assessing risk and predicting market trends, AI's ability to analyze data and learn from it means that it gets better and more accurate with time. However, this doesn't mean that AI is without its drawbacks. For one, there's the risk of over-reliance on algorithms. While AI can do a lot, it's not infallible. Algorithms are only as good as the data they're trained on, and if that data is flawed or biased, the results can be misleading. Moreover, there's the issue of data privacy. With AI systems processing vast amounts of personal and financial data, there's always the risk of data breaches and misuse. This is a legitimate concern that needs to be addressed as we continue to integrate AI into our financial systems. Despite these potential drawbacks, the benefits of AI in finance are significant. For consumers, AI can lead to better financial decisions. Imagine a personal financial advisor in your pocket, helping you manage your finances, advising you on investments, and alerting you to potential risks. That's what AI can do. For businesses, AI offers the opportunity to streamline operations and enhance customer experiences. From automating routine tasks to providing personalized financial advice, AI can help businesses operate more efficiently and effectively. In conclusion, while AI in finance has its challenges, the potential benefits are enormous. As we continue to refine and improve these systems, we can look forward to a future where finance is more efficient, accurate, and accessible than ever before. AI is revolutionizing finance, and its impact is just beginning to unfold. AI is not just a buzzword, it's a game changer in the financial industry. We've journeyed through its role in fraud detection, risk management, and investment prediction. We've weighed the pros and cons and discussed how its benefits ripple out to businesses and the general public. The landscape of finance is ever evolving, and staying informed about the ongoing developments in AI is mandatory. As we continue to explore and understand AI's capabilities, one thing is clear: the future of finance is here, and it's driven by artificial intelligence. If you like movies like this, please consider subscribing. Give it a thumbs up, hit the notification bell to be notified when new movies are uploaded, and enjoy the fascinating world of AI.